Before the COVID-19 pandemic hit the world, full stop, we would often refer to science fiction for cutting edge research such as brain transplants or bioengineering, full stop. But in my 3 decades of work in clinical medicine and medical research, never have I come across something that has transformed the global health landscape as much as the humble vaccine, full stop. While the pandemic has highlighted their importance, vaccines have always been the frontrunners in saving lives. With their help, we are able to prevent the death of 2 to 3 million children globally every year, full stop. It is because of vaccines that we managed to eradicate highly contagious diseases such as smallpox, which used to kill millions only a few decades ago, full stop. In India, vaccines have helped us defeat polio. The country was certified polio free by the World Health Organization in 2014, full stop. In 2015, the country also eliminated maternal and neonatal tetanus, full stop. While we might not be certain about the timeline for the elimination of COVID-19, an effective vaccine is the world's best shot at reducing the transmission of this highly contagious disease, full stop. Next para. While developing a vaccine for COVID-19 is a global health priority, a comprehensive approach is also required towards fast tracking the development of vaccines to tackle emerging diseases, full stop. India is one of the largest producers and exporters of vaccines in the world, full stop. In fact, many vaccines in the National Immunization Program are produced in India and manufactured by Indian companies, full stop. This has been made possible through regular investments in ramping up our manufacturing capacity through programmers like Make in India, full stop. However, innovation and research in vaccines have not been adequately prioritized, full stop. India needs early stage financial investment to propel a research and innovation ecosystem for the development of new vaccines, full stop. The Indian Council of Medical Research has made great strides in that direction. It has developed effective vaccines against Japanese encephalitis, Shigella, transferred to Hillman Labs, and the Kiesner Forest disease, full stop. ICMR has also provided research funding for initial and validation studies for the rotavirus and polio vaccines, full stop. ICMR is collaborating with Bharat Biotech International Limited to develop a fully indigenous vaccine for COVID-19 using the virus strain isolated at the National Institute of Virology in Pune. Full stop.